Good shooting, Dave.
Oh, 20. Wow. That's great.
I'm scaring you? Right in the gut.
What the? What's that thing?
It's a revolver. Probably 38, 357.
Shoot low. Shoot lower.
Surprised me at a 38 and 357. You can shoot 357.
You shooting at 16?
Shoot at 38.
Yeah, you're shooting way high.
Really?
Yeah. It bounces high.
That's good. Just the whole idea that you could do that.
You take one more shot and then you're going back.
How's that?
You know how to line these up here? Hey, you ready?
You want to shoot these last rounds?
I'll shoot them up here.
You're hitting the red. Number 9, man. What does it look like?
Give me look.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Nine's empty.
Okay, shoot number 9, too. You're start the corner.
What target you shooting at? Up at about where the 2 is on the front. Okay. Target good. All right, now. Hey, he shot the ground. That's all right, take practice. You got one more round. You ready?
God, that's.
Thanks, Bill.
Thank you, sir.
What did you just shoot there?
16.
Oh, nice.
Low one to the left there, though.
That's pretty nice.
That's all I got for the 9s.
Yeah, that's all I want for the night.
Hey, that was a lot of fun.
Here's your demo bullets.
Appreciate that. Hey, what's this little guy?
22.
Oh, that's a 22? Oh, yeah. I've shot lots of 22s.
Something else? The center fire.
Uh-huh.
See where the hammer hit the middle there?
Yeah.
Center fire, see where the hammer hit the middle?
Yeah.
There's a little igniter in there, the hammer hits it, and that's what lights all the powder.
Right.
So those are center fires.
What about?
Thing in the middle there. That's a rim fire.
Oh, yeah, right there. I see it. Huh. Yeah, I've shot a 22 in a rifle, but never I mean,
Pistol?
It's a pistol. I guess also.
Very accurate.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I would assume it's pretty easy to shoot.
The smaller the caliber of the round, generally more accurate it is.
I would assume because it doesn't kick or anything. I mean,
Yeah, it's the weight of the bullet.
yeah.
The bullet trajectory is a little more stable if it's smaller. You can use it kind of a little more powder. And the other thing is that this is something that James Marsh and I were just recently talking about. Is the whole idea of a flat shooter.
Flat shooter?
Yeah, like a 2.7 or a 270.
Right.
Has a trajectory that's a little more flat than like a bigger round.
Right.
Like all bullets will go in kind of an arc. So you adjust your barrel to play that arc. So like you think you're pointing right at it, but your actual sight might be shooting a little high, so the bullet kind of lobs in at it.
Right.
Some bullets have less of a lob to it.
Huh.
I don't know what the physics behind it is.
Speed of the round, probably.
I think so.
You want to shoot a few more AR rounds?
Yeah.
Vertical. Not inch left.
How many clips you got, man?
Oh, I got 4 clips for the AK.
And then what are the rest of those?
For the AR, it saves time. You don't have to worry about reloading all the time.
Right? Did you buy those
What's that?
Did you buy those pre-banned?
The clips?
Yeah.
No, I got them at a gun show last year.
What's this? What's
Like
this
here,
guy?
here in town. They're like 10 or 12 bucks a piece, or 15 bucks a piece, something like that.
Wait, where the hell did that one to the right come from?
Same one as
the right and just about an inch lower. So we're about halfway into the red. That's it, yeah.
Where you going, Dave?
I don't know. Did you adjust the sight? No.
I'll find out. Can I borrow this? Oh yeah, sorry. Cool. No, don't worry about it.
It's a fine looking picture.
What's that?
It's a fine looking picture.
Excellent.
37 high, 38 high, and 38 low are open, Dave.
All right.
Where are you shooting?
38 high.
Nothing.
Oh.
Wait, that's 39, 39, wasn't it?
39, yeah.
Yeah, alright, try shooting 38. Alright, that round for 39 was about center, about 2 inches off the bull to the left. That's left, 2 inches, a little high, about 10 o'clock, off the bull. Same line in, you're about an inch off the bull now. That's low at about 7 o'clock, an inch off the bull. That's high, about 12 inches. High, 12 o'clock. Just left. Oh, that's high right of the bull. That's high left of the bull. That's high right of the bull, 2 inches. Don't know where that one went. That might have been way high. I don't know. That's high right. You're all around the bull, buddy. That's a bull. That's another bull. That's right. That's right too, I think. Losing track of him now, dude. I think that was high center. That's good shooting, Lou.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Chief.